what's the deal, man? If y'all watched the last video where I did them doors, got to see the doors done, got this quarter done, I got to do the other quarter, got to finish my floors, just really ain't been wanting to do them. My jams, my A-pillar and windshield channel, still got to do my core support, still got to do my rear body panel. I gotta find a core support in the rear body panel. Price I got now, it's not a deck lid, but the cover for my top. I just pulled that off, it was all dry rotted. My deck lid, I don't know if I'm gonna go with that deck lid or not. I can reuse the spoiler that's on it. Need the top. I got my fenders to do, I got my front bumper to do, I got ground effects. So just, doing a little bit at a time, whenever I ain't got no actual work to do. So I guess that's the luxury of, working where I work or doing what I do. But yeah, man, just doing a little bit at a time. So I might mess around with this, my convertible top cover, get that in primer. I might not get it in primer, but I might get it body worked and then do my fenders or deck lid if I decide to keep it, or something else, so that way I'm not just priming, one thing at a time. So definitely gonna take some work. You can see previous paint that was either faded or wasn't finished, but these panels definitely need some TLC. Whoa. So we got my fenders. You see the previous work is excellent. Yep. Got these ground effects. Which appear to have been cut. So I'm using 150. The main thing I want to do is get all my scratches out first with 150, and then I'm going to strip the whole bumper, and then I'll probably smooth it out with some 240 before I prime it up. But as you can see, this thing is pretty bad condition, so walking through it.
So here's where I'm at. Fully stripped it. I did, however, put some thinner on it because it's an old material and lifted, so I knew I had to strip it. I think I'll be okay here. I'll be okay. Well, this will come off. I think I'll be alright. But here, it's the comparison. Alright, what's the deal? Working on these ground effects or rockers for the Camaro. It's moving kind of fast, so couldn't really get it all, but got them all repaired. And then the booth, primed them. So, yeah. Alright, I got this fender here. I just tried to test fit my other fender up there, but I'm probably end up getting a new fender for the passenger side. It's all cut up and whoever did some work to it. Ain't even no need to show it, but got a couple nice dents in this one. So, see if I can get this one all set up to be primed. Oh, and catfish once again. Go all through it. So, take it all off, dye coat it, sand that down, find my big spot, do what I've been doing. I got the crown now, boy. It's the deal, you chewing back, man. I got this thing stripped to the metal, man. And it surprised me, actually. It was actually still a little bit there still, but it was full of body filler. I gotta stop saying Bondo. So yeah, man, I'm gonna go through. You can see a couple of the spots. So I'm gonna go through and if I got it off, I can hammer it from the side. I mean from the back side. Look at that. Just go right over it. Nice crease right there. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing worked out from the back side, and then probably get it in about a coat of putty. So, yep. Alright, got the car back down. For the moment, B is off the rack. You can see the van is there, so I'm about to go up before he go up, or somebody else go up. So, got all the jack stands up out of it, and we're gonna roll it up there.
knocked down. Got our high spots knocked down, pulled it. So I'm gonna work on getting this quarter stripped. You can see how much is on there. Just like the doors and everything else. Didn't attempt to do no body work to it, just just bondoed it up. So I'm gonna take this down and do everything I need to do. So here's where I'm at, man. In the process of sweeping, but as you can see, I got this all grinded down, man. And this is what I found. It was a shitload of Duraglass, Bondo. As you can see, there was some of everything on it, man. And I mean, it was from this end all the way to that end. Duraglass, fillers, putty. Man, so many coats, man. But if you can see, somebody just look. What I'm assuming they did was drilled self tappers in it and used the hammer to pull it out, or it might even use the slide hammer. But that's where I'm at, man. And they just beat the shit out of it. I got this pulled out. If you remember before all that was in, I got that pulled out and kind of roughed up a little bit. So this is looking better. Yeah. So I don't know, man. Shit like this just pisses me off, man. Cause why would you sit up there and, you feel me, do some shit like that, man? But I don't know if I'm gonna get a quarter or try to load up the hose or what, but we'll see. But I want to clean all this goddamn. You can see Bondo up from. That's just from what I took off, and it was really more than that. You got some on the rack inside the car, blew some away. So I'm gonna sweep my area up, man. But I ain't gonna lie, this shit frustrating, man. And I'm done for today, bro. I'm pissed. We'll check back in tomorrow. What's the deal? It's another day, man. Been in the process trying to find a quarter for that, man. I don't even want to think about that shit right now. But I've been doing some other stuff today. Finally got that plastic off the top of this, got it down to the metal. Just took this out of the middle of there. I'm sanding the rest of this down. It's just like attention to detail and, you know, being thorough. A lot of people are painting over that. As you can see, they did. They also didn't take the boot out. So you can see it's a line right there, man. It's not how I would do. It's not how I'm gonna do. And stuff like that ain't something, even when I start taking, you know, on other projects, after I finish mine, you know, everything comes off the panel that can come off. So, you know, it can be painted right. Got a nice skim coat on my fender. Like I said in the last video, I'm looking for a new fender for my other one. So, yep, that's what I got. Alright. I got my fender all. See the lines in it, man. Get this thing firmed up. Rock out.
apologize in advance. I guess been better than niggas wasn't part of the plan. I see that change gon' make them change the ones who thought was your right hand. And them niggas gon' envy when they see that you won't win. Like when them lights turned off, that's how you know that baby with it. But when them stage lights on, he don't hear nothing.